Hey, Zed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 1 hour time frame and look at this main scenario first, in which this is not it, it's this one, in which we have this as an ABC into a W, ABC into X, and then another ABC to be coming. And that is the main idea. Why am I still looking for another wave Y is just because I don't think this is enough of a structure to be correlated with this structure over here. So that's why I'm thinking that we are going to be getting some kind of flat structure in here for that wave B before continuation to that wave C and completing the higher time frame wave Y. Now, if we are going to be just doing this instead, taking out these current lows without going beyond these highs here, is more than likely that we are instead doing something like this, where we have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into an A or wave 1, then ABC into wave 2 or wave B, and then continuation of that set impulse wave downwards with the idea of being in C wave or wave 3. At the moment, if we are placing these structures or the labelings like this, where we have this as a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup. I think this was proposed by William on Discord, or maybe it was Jonathan. I'm sorry if I remember wrong, but there was a scenario posted on Discord about this, saying that they had a 1, 2, 1, 2 setup here, which is again very much more bearish, and looking for that 3 wave or 3rd wave here. And just by the extensions of this wave 1 to 2, we can see that some of the targets are here below the $3,500 area, in which again this would be very much of a large drop. But the CPA data, or not CPA, but the FOMC meeting data should, or the meetings minutes probably should be either giving us that or this. So definitely be careful today on the markets if you're trading. Most likely going to be a very volatile day today, but if I'm just going to be following my own structures here and then my preference, I'm still looking for this pump for that wave B. For this one, what we had, if we're going zooming into 15 minutes, is that we had an ABC here into an A wave, ABC here into wave B. The C wave here did get right into the 0.618, nothing more, and then again wave 1, wave 2, and then looking for 3, 4, 5. Depending, of course, how high this goes, we can be looking at different scenarios as well, whether this is going to be something else entirely. But I definitely want to see that 38.2 broken around the $3,970. That would line up kind of well with the 1.382 extension of this A, B, and C as well. But yeah, that is basically the target. Now, if we are zooming in, also zooming out, sorry, again, we can see that we have a trend line here on RSI saying that, okay, we have lower highs made, but we are getting higher lows on, what did I say? Lower lows on price and higher lows on RSI. There we go, creating a divergence between these two. And this would indicate normally that we are going to get some kind of pop-up higher, and these definitely would fit into the idea that we are getting into that wave B here before falling down. Of course, you shouldn't be just basing your trades off of divergences on RSI. That is just something to give you more confidence around your trades. Now, again, two different scenarios, two very different outcomes. Overall, what we are expecting is still to the downside move. Whether we are going to get this or this, I'm not quite sure of that yet. We'll see. Today should be a very significant day for that to happen. But I feel like that is pretty much all I want to share today on SP500. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you next video. Bye bye.